Identifying reference points. Reference points on the head mark where the surface of the head changes. Their use in haircutting is the basis for being able to repeat a desired design over and over. These bones and other structures of the head will become our reference points. To demonstrate sectioning the head, please use an all-purpose or cutting comb. Get familiar with this tool in preparation for hair cutting. In general, the wide tooth of the comb are used for parting, and the small teeth of the comb are used to create tension for cutting. Identifying reference points. The apex, the highest point on the head. Place a comb on top of the head. Where the comb rests is the apex. Along with the nose and the back of the ears, the apex is used to identify the left and the right, the front and the back. The parietal ridge, the widest part of the head. Place a comb vertically on the side of the head. Where the comb leaves the head is the parietal ridge. The parietal ridge separates the top of the head from the front and the back and the sides. The occipital bone, where the base of the head connects to the neck. Place a comb at the bottom of the nape on the hairline. Where the comb leaves the head is the occipital bone. The occipital bone separates the back of the head from the nape. The four corners. Place a comb flat across the back and the side, or front and the side of the head. Where the combs meet is the corner. The four corners are used to identify the fringe and the crown. To identify the crown, start at the apex, go to the corners at the parietal ridge. This will form a triangle, which is the crown. For the fringe, lay a comb vertically starting at the front hairline. Where the comb leaves the head is the top of the fringe. Connect the top of the fringe with the two corners in the front. This will give you a triangle that is the fringe. Using the reference points of the head to put the hair into sections will result in a front, a back, a right and a left, a top, sides and back, a nape, a crown, and a fringe.